this game Valheim. It's like Rust, but with a Viking. Actually, not like Rust because it's not an MMO. It's just co-op, I think.
Do we know what we wanted to change the name to? Like,
oh, I don't know. I guess it could. I think you can't do just the Fallen Stones.
right.
You could do like the Fallen Stones official or something like that.
Oh wait, that actually worked. Oh, so Nightbot worked. Oh, the Fallen Stone's official? Alright. Fallen Stone.
Yeah, I think that would be fine.
Alright. Oh, gotta fucking verify it's me, 1 sec. 34.
What is this? Oh, it's gonna verify?
Yeah.
Yes. Yep, 34. Verification successful.
Oh, you know why it does that? It's because our first name's the Fallen Stones, our last name's the game.
Yeah.
It's funny. Alright. There we go. Alright. Fucking. Now I just have to fucking post it.
Gotta fucking post it. Did you post it? Ah.
Yes. Yes, I did.
Hey.
So let me throw it here as well. Yeah, throw it here.
There you go, yeah, throw it everywhere.
Yes,
Throw it everywhere.
fucking everywhere. All right. Don't you hate when bitches be texting you?
Ooh, this music's kind of groovy.
It is.
Yeah.
Fucking, it's a banger. The way you put the ellipse after the anything scares me.
Does it?
Yeah.
It's supposed to scare you. It's supposed to make you feel on edge.
Well, you're edging me.
You're edging me out, brother.
Brother, we're spooked.
Brother.
Fucking spoopy.
Like, jeez.
I hate it. Everything about what you just said. It, but what am I doing?
Well,
I gotta start doing stuff.
doing nothing fast, buddy.
I'm doing nothing fast quickly though. Because time's
Nothing fast, quickly, and in a timely manner.
time's a schmoovin'.
Alright, hold on, let me join. I'm gonna be your #1 viewer.
I hate you.
Wait.
1 second, I can do something. Oh.
Oh wait, no, I can't watch this. I gotta minimize this. Giving me like a long delay.
A long delay for the Oh yeah, you can just like unmute it because there's gonna be low latency. I added like low latency into it.
Yeah, that's okay.
Right.
That is okay. I did notice I'm very loud though.
Let me turn you down.
Yeah. I was gonna like yank my microphone away as far as
Oh
possible.
yeah, I could be turned up to 200%. Say
Oh,
loud.
damn.
Yeah, you.
Oh,
I think
damn.
at some point I couldn't hear you, and then I could hear you so much that I stopped remembering that I was
So
hearing.
much
Yeah, it was.
that I couldn't hear anything else.
Um, I'm just awesome, fucking brilliant,
Beautiful.
beautiful, religious.
Marvelous.
All right.
Delicious.
Now what the fuck am I doing?
Well, I can't remember. We
Um,
had discussed it
we
earlier.
we did do that.
What? Yeah, you told me, and now I just totally forgot. Now I sound like the asshole.
Dumbass. Um,
Stupid bitch.
fucking idiot. Uh, I know I was gonna.
This. I have a story.
Oh, let's hear it.
I'd like to hear it. This yeah, a friend of mine was she was riding her bike with one of her friends, and one of those guys, you know, the dudes that are like decked out. They got like the helmet, they got like the tight like
Oh,
aerodynamic suit. They got it all. You know what I'm talking about?
yeah, the fucking bastards on the road. Yeah.
He like I guess he almost hit her or something, and he goes by and he's like, "Stupid bitch."
Oh my god. That's.
And when she told me that, I just couldn't like help but laugh because it just sounds like perfect.
It sounds like something they do though. They're horrible.
Yeah,
They're honestly
it does sound
scum.
like I expected that much. Like I was not surprised.
I have a similar
It would have been
story.
insulting if he didn't call her stupid bitch
On
and in such
yeah,
a
it would have
manner.
been
It
surprising.
would not have made sense. Yeah.
I do have a similar story though. But like in the opposite sense. So I was
Do
biking to
tell.
work one morning, and as I'm biking, I get caught behind this entire family of people going on a bike in the morning. Like dad, mom, four kids,
The whole crew.
they brought the whole crew out,
The whole crew came
and
out.
I'm just stuck behind them. And then we get stopped at a red light, and they just look back and stare at me, and I'm like, hey, I'm just going to work. I'm not part of this posse.
No, they knew Chris.
And then this was
Sure.
immediately before we got to a hill, and like I passed their
Mhm.
fucking youngest son, I guess, and just like completely smoked him on that hill. Oh bastard! He wasn't ready for it.
He was not.
So
Was not ready for it.
I know I was gonna update
Yeah.
the weather system. That's what I was gonna do. Oh yeah, I was gonna change.
Yeah. Were you gonna add? I think it was damage, right, to the player.
Oh, to lightning. Yeah, I need to look up
Yeah.
the document.
Little sky vibe check.
Yeah, little sky vibe check.
Little sky vibe check. Sky vibe check.
The sky check.
Sky
So
check.
I need to look at the documentation for particle collisions. Also, the one person who's not me or Joe watching the stream, hi.
Oh, what's up, dude?
What's up, you?
Okay,
Maybe,
what's up, Nightbot?
I don't know if it's Nightbot watching.
Is this Nightbot right there? Who is that?
Nightbot's a
Oh,
robot.
wait. Nightbot is a robot.
Whenever I type commands,
Those are my only
they
friends.
do it. I don't think Nightbot watches though. Collision.
Nightbot doesn't watch, no.
I need to look at the collision module. Documentation is so yummy. Particles collide with game objects in scene. So basically, when
I wish I could see. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
you're fine. Basically, I want to send a message, a send collision message. If enabled, particle collisions can be detected from script. Oh, so on particle collision. Okay. On particle is when a particle hits a collider. This can be applied damage to a game chop. This message is sent to scripts attached to particle systems and to the collider that was hit. Okay. Bet. So. Don't know what that means.
Well,
I do, but I don't. I'll just try something and see if it works. So this is the prefab I have for the lightning. Edit it. Yeah, there you go. And it has. I guess I should create a new script then. Fucking. What do I call it? Lightning smack? Lightning strike.
Lightning smack.
I forgot what it was.
Lightning smack.
Pikachu, what the fuck? What was that? Right back.
Pikachu.
Use Tail Whip. Is it a combination of Tail Whip and Thunderbolt?
No.
Is Lightning Smack?
What would it be? It would be its own thing. It's lightning smack.
Okay.
Lightning smack.
Alright, I had
It smacks you.
underestimated
It'd be the best electric type move, like ever.
Okay. I'm trying to see if this code will.
The only thing that would be better than that move would be. Shocky thump.
No, Shocky.
Or voltage. It'd be voltage thump.
Wacky Slush.
Wacky slush.
Alright, bring that up.
Wacky slush.
Do you know what that is?
No, I don't actually.
It's like lean and like
Oh, really?
like Sprite, and you like you fucking
That's a funny name.
fucking freeze it.
Never heard that.
When a
Wacky
particle hits
slush.
collider, when a particle in the trigger mod, okay. So on collision, so if other dot tag equals, look at me, I'm just going off layer. Then it should do something. I'm gonna, well, debug log hit player. And we're gonna do else debug log hit plus other dot like, yeah. Alright. Let's see if this works. If it works first try, I'll be happy. So it's not gonna.
What is this music that we are listening to?
It's actually in the Music Bot channel. It is called 3-hour live stream lo-fi hip hop NCM non-copyrighted music. You know, that classic
Nice.
song.
Yeah, I think I've heard of that album actually.
Yeah. They did a collab with Pink back in like 2003.
Yeah.
What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was running this code to see if it worked.
Oh.
Don't look at the errors in my console. Most of them have gone away. So I need to activate lightning. I don't know why I decided to make the daylight speed so fucking fast. Change that to 0.5. And we'll make it thunder. There goes lightning striking. And
Lightning striking.
lightning striking.
Lightning smack.
I do need to. This stuff is like depleting so fast because it lasts for. Yeah, lightning strike is on there. Are any of these like hitting the ground? The grass got really loud over here.
It did get really loud. Music bot is fucking going off.
Yeah, it's decided now is the time to vibe.
I kind of like that. It's like a little DJ.
Yeah. Nope. Nope.
It just kind of goes off sometimes.
Oh yeah, Josiah, this is absolutely the lightning system I was talking about. It's fucking crisp. There's a lot of lightning going on, but that's just because I'm testing with lightning. And it's currently not working.
Don't worry, we will shift the game with slightly less lightning.
Yeah. I mean, more lightning with every fucking
Slightly down.
spoonful? Every spoonful, more lightning. Where's that? I want lightning to strike me.
You and me both, man.
Alright. Let me do this. So it's like not working. Why? Though. Let me look at this documentation again. Okay. It can be used to apply damage. This message is sent to scripts attached to particle systems. For scripts just to get in a collider.
Oh no.
Alright, let's see an example of this. That surprised me, that part of the song. Okay, let's do this. See if this works. Create fucking cube. I don't want to make it there. Thanks. Yeah, it is an aesthetic. Fucking cube. Also, Josiah, I thought you were going to sleep, you lying bastard. No offense, we like you here. Also, if you do want to join the call, we're in the stream chat. Josiah's my friend who's developing a game called Utopia Process. And
That's
it's
cool.
really fucking cool. It's like Space Invaders meets Galaga.
Oh, nice.
And it's just
It's
like
a pretty cool mix there.
yeah, it's a super fun arcade-like game. So what I'm doing right now is I'm making this massive cube platform. So maybe lightning will strike that. Because it's not striking me. And what I'll do is, because the particle's tiny, right? Is instead of hitting the player and doing damage, whenever it strikes the ground, there'll just be like a little radius around it. So there's a higher chance the player's going to be in that radius. So let's set it to rain. Alright, lightning striking console. Excellent. So it's just there's no lightning striking this. Lightning struck it right there. Okay. And it didn't give me the message I wanted. Brain's been bad all day. Thanks for inviting. And yeah, you are a liar. Because I know that this. Oh wait,
Lord.
you know what I'm. What? Oh,
Nothing. Just
I forget.
something that happened.
You're gaming.
Something that happened in game, not IRL. Catch my drift.
3D
By drift, I mean exactly what I mean.
collides with everything. Oh, that's it. It's just not sending collision messages. Maybe.
Not sending the coolest Christmas.
How do I?
Christmas messages.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Chrysler. Come on, there's a 50-50 of thunder, and I got it. I didn't get it 3 times in a row. What is my luck?
Oh no, I'm gonna die. I die.
All right, yeah, it's working. It's hitting the terrain.
Nice.
Look at that. Look at
It is hitting the terrain.
Look at me. I'm just a genius.
You're just a guy doing stuff.
I'm just a guy being a dude.
Just a dude doing guy things.
Most certainly.
Most certainly.
Yes, my liege. All right, I can delete this cube now that I know it hits terrain. All right, so back in the code.
Back in the code.
And just I've seen a lot of your updates for Utopia Process, and honestly, fucking loving it. He like added this procedural explosion thing to his cities,
Ooh,
and they look really good.
that's awesome.
Yes.
It's pretty dope.
So what I want to do is, I guess, public game object damage ball. And I need to make oh, this is such a good song that it's doing right now. Like lo-fi'd over.
What?
The song it's playing. It's like from
It's a
Fallout.
pretty good song. I like it. Nice.
So environment, weather. So the script I want to make is, I don't know. I'm gonna call it explosion sphere.
Oh no.
This is what you get for not planning things out.
Yeah, that's okay.
Alright, so
I like to wing it.
yeah.
Just wing everything.
Honestly, if it gets
There's
results,
one thing that I've learned in life.
you've learned
That
something.
is to just wing everything.
I haven't even got to the learning part.
And planning is for suckers.
Now, how do I hurt the player? What did I do for that?
How do I hurt the player? Oh my gosh.
How do I cause the most damage? Not.
Oh no. This is quite a little pickle. Me and my squadron has found ourselves in.
Are you playing Xenoblade?
No, I'm actually playing Battlefield.
You know that song "Love's a Battlefield"?
1. Love is a Battlefield? I do know that song.
Good.
What
song.
just happened? I just spawned in. Oh.
Oh, I see.
I felt the need to alert me because I was so confused. Oh, what just happened?
So my explosion sphere script is useless.
Well, fuck.
Yeah. I'm gonna do something else. So I'm gonna create an empty, and I'm gonna call this empty lightning ball. And I'm gonna add a sphere collider to it. Sphere collider. And and my thinking here, and my dull brain, is, and hold with me here. I'm not gonna make it a trigger, and there's a reason for this.
Yes.
Because it will push the player, if it spawns inside the player, it pushes the player away in like a random direction, because that's how collisions with rigid bodies work. So, if I do that, then it seems like the players get blasted away a little bit.
Yeah.
And I could also actually add like a propulsion force away from it, so it just moves, like propels. The sphere collider will cause a random direction for the player to be pushed in, and then I'll just create like a thing that pushes along that vector. So that in case we wanted them to really be blasted off their ass.
Yeah. Put like a ragdoll system in as well. Just watch them fucking fly around all of eternity.
Now, with the rarity of getting struck by lightning, how much damage did that tater do? The player has 100 health by base, by the way.
I'm gonna say it should bring you pretty, like, close. Almost like one shot close.
We'll say 80.
Yeah.
20 health left? Yeah, you're definitely in the red.
20 health? You're definitely in the red. You're definitely on edge.
You're being edged, yeah.
All about the edge.
I'm gonna keep making that joke, even though it shouldn't.
You know me. I'm all about the edge.
I was like,
oh no.
I'm sorry.
Well,
Let's throw a ball. Alright.
what?
Nah,
Excuse me?
excuse me. Um. Okay. Okay. Now what? So wherever it hits. So now that we know that it hits, we can
How do
just
we know
say
it hits?
you can instantiate
You can see
damage ball.
if it slaps. I'm sorry, what?
We're gonna instantiate my damage ball.
Damage ball. Oh, I choose you, damage ball. Go.
And I don't know where it's gonna instantiate this ball. But it's not gonna delete it because I haven't attached destroyer to it, so I'll see exactly where it instantiates. And if I know it's not because nothing works the way I want it to.
Of
But
course.
right.
What if in
It's
Pokemon
instantiating.
there was a damage ball and its
Middle
only purpose was to just hurt the wild Pokemon?
It's just a.
And
It's
it
just.
was literally like a ball, like it was
Just
like a
a
heavy,
rock.
almost like a medicine ball, and you would throw it really hard at the fucking little wild creature. And hopefully it would damage it enough that you could then throw a regular Pokeball and complete the capturing process.
All right. So it instantiated my lightning ball at like in the air. So basically where the lightning ball is by default.
Gotcha.
Which not what we want. All right. So we're gonna reset its transform just so it's 0/0 and lightning ball. Reset. There we go. Wait, did I choose the right thing? Yeah. So sometimes I need a refresher on the instantiate because there's so many overrides you can throw it at. I'm not keeping up with anything today because there's certain positions that I can do it at. Can I say instantiate like at other dot position, dot transform dot position? Is it like that? Can conform a vector 3 to a transform.
You ever seen Airplane?
What?
Are you familiar with the film Airplane?
No, I'm not.
It's a comedy film from the 80s.
Is it about airplanes?
It's about actually an airplane, believe it or not. And it's like this guy, it's like a love story between this guy and this woman. And she's like gone on the plane, breaking up with him, but like he wanted to talk to her still, so he got on the plane. And I guess I don't know if this is spoilers or not, but like I'm gonna tell you anyways. He pretty much like everybody eats a bunch of food on the plane and they all get sick, including the pilot. And the guy who is on the plane is like what am I trying to say? He's a veteran from the Vietnam War, I guess. He used to be a pilot, and he has all this PTSD about flying. So, anyways, the pilot goes unconscious from getting sick, and then he's forced to like fly the plane. It's a pretty wild movie, but it's also a comedy, and it makes a lot of really like literal jokes. And one of them being that the pilot's name is Roger. the co-pilot's name is Clarence, and the what is it? The navigator's name is Victor. So they do like this whole fucking spiel where he's like, you have clearance, Clarence, roger that, Roger. What's your vector, Victor? And they do it for like over and over again.
You know.
It's also known as comedic genius.
Yeah, that's.
I don't know if you know anything about that.
That definitely gives me some, who's on first energy. Getting Snapchats. Right?
Kind of the funniest show or movie of all time.
Soup. Yes. I made soup today. I don't know if you knew that.
Good job, Chris.
I'm an adult. I don't know where to spawn this orb, because I don't know how to get the position of the particle. And if I can,
Position?
Yeah, let me position.
Whoa.
Is invoked from the script attached to a particle system. The game object represents a game object with an attached collider struck by the particle system. The particle system removes one message from the collider.
Oh my gosh. Shit is just blowing up everywhere right now.
What is blowing up? Oh, I forget.
Everything's just blowing up. That's this game. I'm playing. Everything's blowing up.
It's a good game.
2021.
I don't know. Okay, we'll do this. We'll say fucking vector 3. Spawn position is equal to vector 3. And it's equal to other dot transform dot x. Right? Dot position dot x. And then comma. And I'm gonna just copy paste that. We'll do Y and we'll do Z. And then we'll say fucking quaternion dot identity. We'll see if that does it. I'm also sitting, like, posture check. Sometimes you have to remind me, because I was, like, sitting on my back.
Were you in 100% shrimp mode?
I was in shrimp mode. Alright, one sec. Pause it. So it's spawning these balls, but where the fuck? So
What the?
They're all like. Okay.
What? Chris?
Yeah.
Tell me.
What?
Give it to me straight.
So giving it to
you
you straight, they're all spawning at the literal position where the train starts, basically at 000. That's where they're spawning.
Okay.
So I needed to spawn like where the particle slaps it, but I don't know how to get that value. Position of where the particle collided. Let's Google. This. All right.
Well, I just got fucking run over by a horse.
Okay, we're gonna copy paste some code.
Do it. Do it.
I love the sound of Darth Sidious in my ear.
Darth Sidious ASMR.
Yes. All right.
I believe that's what the S stands for in ASMR.
Sidious?
I believe so.
I mean, I think George would like that.
I think you're onto something.
So I need to make sure I'm using system.collections. I am using system.collection. Oh, so this is obsolete. Use particle collisions event. Oh, so this answer is too old. Oh yeah, it is from 2014. Damn.
What you got there? Oh, so you're looking at some old ass code?
Yeah, I got some old ass code, some dusty 2014 code.
Whoa!
2014.
Damn, I can't believe that's like old now.
Yeah. All right.
How long that was? That was 7 years ago. Whoa.
Detailed information about all collisions caused by the particle system. The particle physics assertion that gate collisions must be used to retrieve the array of particles. Okay. Go off, sis. Do you have an example of that? It's like get the particle for a game. Typically. All right. Oh, I see. Lovely. Absolutely wonderful. Gross. So instead of doing an array, you do a list, which honestly is a lot smarter.
List?
A list is basically a list. It's like it's I don't know, that's a stupid way to explain it. It's just like a data system. What are those called?
Yeah, it's
storage
like...
system. It's like an array, but it can be like added to. There's a stack and shit, and there's.
I see.
Yeah. I'm dumb.
Isn't it the position in which you like list it in an array like matter? Or no.
The position you list it in an array. Yeah, so that's very important. And the same thing, it goes for like a list. Like you can get a list at a certain index. But you can also like search through lists using more than just like a numerical value. There's like a whole other set of search algorithms for lists.
That's nice.
Yeah, they're great.
It's pretty dope.
Pretty fucking baller.
Yeah. Get lit. Gonna get lit on some code?
No. I'm just straight yoinking the code. This is
just yoink it.
This is Unity. And it uses I hate using while loops. Fun fact.
Using what?
While loops. There's a reason.
While loops.
Yeah. Because while loops are dangerous. It's dangerous.
Wild.
The reason it's dangerous is because it's very easy to create.
They're very easy to create.
No, I'm sorry, I totally zoned.
Oh.
They're very easy to create infinite loops with.
See.
Yeah. And change this to pause, which is just a position reference, and this should work. It just works. You know? That's what Todd says. Ah, shit.
It just works.
It might not.
It just works.
Bad, Matt. The reason it might not work is because, well, I had the game running while I was editing code.
Yeah.
So,
It usually does not help things along.
no. It definitely doesn't. Wait. I'm just gonna quickly commit something to the Git.
No.
Because that's what the Git's for. Saving my ass sometimes. When I do stupid shit, where I have to use the task manager to straight up close Unity.
It do be like that sometimes.
You really do be true in saying those words.
It really do be like that. It do go down sometimes. It's important for all of us to remember.
Ooh, I hear the dryer going off. I was doing laundry. I think Battlefield.
Oh shit, I gotta do laundry too.
Yeah, I realized it was just that day of the week.
It's just that day of the week.
Well, I knew it was that day of the week when
What else can I say?
I went to go get like clothes to wear for today, and the only thing I had left was like a crop top, and I was like, it's yeah, it's
Sometimes you just gotta say fuck it.
yeah, definitely.
This is what I am today.
Today, so I just did a crop top and a jacket. It was just
Wow.
I'm wearing like a
Yeah.
sweater.
Kind of a boss ass move, man.
But the thing is, it's also February.
I'm fucking sick.
Which I know means nothing for you.
Also
but
what?
It's February, which I know means like nothing for
Oh,
you,
yeah.
but like for me.
Yeah, today was hot as fuck, I'm not gonna lie.
It wasn't too hot outside, but it was like 65.
It was like 80 or 90 here. Not 90, it was more like 80.
Why do you live on the surface of the sun? Like, who decided that? Like, did some...
I do not know.
Why was a settler like, oh yeah, this is where we're laying our fucking claim?
This works. They're getting like absolutely mauled by mosquitoes. It's hot as fuck. There's no true ground. It's all just like wet marsh. He's like, yeah, this will be perfect.
This will make a fine spot for a Dollar General.
This would make a great spot for a theme park.
Yes.
Families will spend lots of money at.
The happiest place on earth. Where you can also get fucking cholera. Not cholera.
Yeah.
What is it? That mosquitoes give? Not
Malaria.
Yeah, malaria. I was thinking Zika for a second. I was like, that's another one, but like.
Zika. They did transmit Zika for a little bit.
All right.
I think, right?
Ah, shit. I didn't mean it. Yeah, they did. But I don't know if it was ours. I think there was foreign mosquitoes doing that. It wasn't ours. Ours are good boys. They stick.
No, I thought there was a couple of cases in Florida.
Oh, there were.
Yeah, Zika.
Oh my god, look, it works. Holy shit, Paul?
Oh,
Paul?
okay.
Look at that. It's exactly where this lightning just struck, and the reason I know that.
Did you say Pog?
Oh wait, I forgot that's a band. What the fuck? That's good that it does that. But those will never go away now. So I need to make sure. that they don't live very long. So attach the
They'll
destroyer.
never go away.
And they should live for about half a
They're
second.
here for life.
What are they? The fucking queen? Alright. Now to get intentionally struck by lightning, so I'm gonna change up its spawn rate to like it spawns every single frame. Let's see how many times I can get fucking lightning started. Let's see if I can get zapped. Hit me, lightning.
Zapped.
Fucking strike me dead. Oh god, it did! It absolutely did.
Oh.
Like I got one shot.
Oh god.
Well, it worked.
Did you
It
do
dropped.
amount of damage though? Did it do 80?
Well, I got struck like
Or
3
did it
times.
just- Oh.
So
Because it's normal.
maybe that's a little too much lightning for my test. We'll do
A lot of lightning.
every 0.1 seconds. I'll get struck by lightning. And I actually need to change my health back to full. So, player. Actually, I can do that with an item. Look at this. Look at me using in-game mechanics that we made. What's
Oh.
You see this health potion? Oh, it didn't.
I don't actually.
It didn't give me full health. Whoops.
On the stream, it's like light years behind. Light years. No, it's actually not that bad.
All right. So that didn't respawn my health fully, but like enough.
Yeah, close enough.
And all right. When can I pick up this item? I don't think it's in my database for whatever reason.
Oof.
All right. Get struck by lightning, please. Lightning. Strike me.
Strike me.
Lightning. Oh, I thought it struck me there. I should really tell it to stop doing those VFX ones. Come on, lightning, strike me. Alright, I'll stand in the same place it just struck, because lightning strikes in the same place twice.
That's a thing.
Yeah.
That's a thing in our game.
Hasn't struck me since. It struck in front of me. Come on. Strike me dead. I'm also on a hill, so I feel like if I was on a flat piece of land, I would have a better chance of being struck.
True. Everyone knows lightning stays away from hills and slopes.
Yeah, lightning strikes at the lowest point.
Yeah.
That's what I teach
Who
you.
knows that?
Oh, it almost struck me!
Oh,
Come on, God! Strike me until dead! I might have to do something that has, like, every so often lightning will just seek out the
Yeah.
player.
Yeah, I was gonna say something to test it. Or you could just wait for eternity.
Alright, so I upped the lightning spawn rate. Also, it's like raining black. Because that's what it looks like at night, and I haven't fixed it.
Raining black.
It looks great, though. Except there's no clouds. Oh, that's what I wanted to do tonight. I wanted to work on, like, volumetric clouds. Oh, I just got struck and it killed me. Oh, because I didn't have 80 health.
Oh, true.
I should be able to use the ring again, though. It should be off cooldown. It is. Gave me full health. Oh, I almost got struck. Like... Get struck by lightning speedrun any percent.
Any percent. What are the two categories for Ocarina of Time. It's like you can do any percent, and then there's like two categories. One is like I think call it like non-restrictive or something like that, or non-conventional. I can't remember. Fuck.
Come on, Shashwami. That lightning did a weird, like, lightning's like striking in a line for some reason. Like it emits its burst particles on all of the collision tiles instead of just the one. I don't know why it's
true. Well, that's weird.
It is. It is.
Well, that's weird.
I want to get struck by lightning again. If I stand here long enough, it'll hit me.
Yeah, of course. It's the way of life.
Be patient.
Be patient. All good things come to those who wait.
Well, wouldn't I not want to wait?
No, trust me.
It's been so long since I've been struck.
You're kind of a lucky fella.
I know. Time to up the lightning spot, I guess. That's just trying to take this boy out. And he's missing.
Doing too shabby. Oh shit. Almost dropped my phone. Oof. I do not want to go to work tomorrow.
I don't work tomorrow.
Well, aren't you lucky?
I had to think about it for a second because I thought I did. Even with lightning striking at every possible frame.
I'm sorry, say that again.
Even with lightning striking at every possible frame.
You're really still not getting hit?
Yeah.
So...
I wasn't getting hit for so long the thunderstorm ended.
Sounds like it's not working.
It's a feature. Not getting struck.
Let's roll.
Maybe the player's just
Planning
flame
the bomb.
retarded.
Flame retarded. Oh no.
Oh my god, it's like spawning at my feet when I move. I feel like I'm technically crying. You can't see it though. Oh my god, please. G-Light be like Chris by Cream Eye. Do it.
No.
Lightning Sean, please. It's a beautiful display though. Let me pause the scene real fast. Wait, what? Did the thunderstorm really stop again? That wasn't a long thunderstorm. pause it. So I see that most of these. Well, no, this one isn't. I'm just gonna like effectively turn up the radius of.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. So now it
The lightning.
So now it has like a higher, technically, a higher chance to slap me.
Yeah.
Batman. Alright, boom. Lightning storm. Oh, I did! I got struck, and it pushed me away. I'm getting struck a lot.
Okay. I'm getting struck a lot.
I'm getting struck a whole lot more since I increased the size of the lightning.
Good heavens!
Good heavens!
Good heavens!
But I guess having the orb bigger is fine, because in the base game, like, the chance for lightning strikes is lightning's gonna strike like every 10 seconds.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I mean, you can leave the like the radius still a little like chunky.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying.
Make it too skinny.
It's gonna be chunky so that just because of how rare it is for lightning even to strike.
Yeah, if it comes like close enough or relatively close, like should do a little bit of damage.
It is currently like clapping my cheeks off.
Clapping my cheeks off. Is that what you said?
It is, yeah. To a degree.
Okay, I was gonna say. I got killed again.
Doesn't have a prefab? No, guess not. Heal me. Just. Yeah, activate the dev panel so that I can heal myself. Dev cheats. It's not even working. Am I getting some console errors? Oh, I am. Oh, what happens when I try to pick up something? Okay. Oh, alright.
You went to such great lengths to get struck.
I know. And yeah.
And in the end, it still took so much. So much more.
It basically fucking kills you when you get struck.
Yeah. There's no warning.
Like, it's straight up, like, it does the correct amount of damage, but damn, don't it hurt.
Kinda absolutely slaps your ass.
So there's a few things I want to change. So I want the radius to die faster, like the lightning bolt.
Yeah.
I don't want it to live so long, so we're gonna reduce its lifespan to like a 1/10 of a second. You know that measurement?
What?
A 1/10 of a second.
A 1/10?
Yeah.
Are you familiar with that terminology there?
Yeah, a 1/10 of a second.
I believe that's a 1/10 of a second. A 1/10? Maybe even a tooth?
Second.
Second? Tooth second.
That was a gross burp.
That was a burp.
Yeah.
Wow.
Um, Flashlight. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm looking at some documentation.
Ooh.
So, I wonder, let's go into Unity. Go to my camera holder, go to my camera, and I think I'm just gonna stream every single time I'm doing features. Like, yeah, unless they're like hidden features.
What? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I was looking at something on my phone. Yeah, no, that's a solid idea. I need to go through a lot of raw audio that I dumped out of my fucking SD card.
What was the audio for?
It was actually quite a couple of different things on here. There was some ambient stuff that I've done in the field. There was some Foley stuff in it. There wasn't too much Foley stuff. I think it was like one or like two takes of like me banging some metal. Most of the other Foley stuff I've done has already been like downloaded and processed and whatnot.
Now, may I ask why you were banging metal together?
Because it made a really cool sound. It gave actually like the perfect, it was like a tin tray. So it gave like a really perfect, like that twangy kind of metal-y bang. Almost like the sound you would think of when you see like a blacksmith hammering metal.
Oh, sorry.
Very resonating, like ringing type of bang. And I also have a good bit of rain recordings that I need to go through. One of them has a fucking bird that's just blaring through it, so that's cool.
Alright. So, what I want to do, my good friend, is when the player gets hit by lightning, I want it to like flash, you know, like
Oh yeah,
like flashbang.
really stun them.
Yeah. So I'm gonna add a panel, and I'm gonna change its alpha to fucking fully white. Yeah. Now this is what our game is.
Yeah, blast them. Yeah,
Yeah.
fucking
Blast your eyeballs back into shape.
blast them.
Mhm. Do I have a canvas group? Canvas group.
Blast your eyeballs back into shape.
Do you know that
Would
meme?
that be like a fucking exercise program for your eyes?
Yeah.
It's like the butt squeezy thing that Patrick uses. And there's like that one scene where he's like squeezing he's using his ass to like squeeze this little press thing together.
Oh yeah.
It would be like that for your eyes, for your eyelids.
Yes.
That'd be the commercial.
One sec. My dull brain is trying to focus. What was I doing?
Blasting your eyeballs back into shape.
I just wasn't. Alright, remove component. So I'm actually gonna have a separate canvas for this. So create UI canvas, and then create UI panel, and then change its alpha to full, to hella. Because I don't want it to block the player's fucking inventory
Yeah.
when they get ass blasted from the sun.
Ass blasted.
So,
See, from clouds. From angry clowns.
upset boys.
Upset, grumpy boys.
So that's 0. And then I'm gonna add a component, call that bitch Flash. Flash! I'm making a Monster Energy drink.
You're gonna make one?
I'm drinking.
You have the recipe?
No, I said I was drinking one now.
Oh.
I wish I had a recipe.
You have the secret recipe? Secret monster recipe?
Fucking crank.
Just crank and bull piss. Sugar.
Flash. But no, my roommate gave me like a lot of Monster Energy.
Oh, nice. Oh, no.
Because he's on a diet. And
True.
yeah.
Ooh, I just got some good. Let's see. I'm gonna rename this. See if I can't creak out. Clean up one of these thunder booms.
Alright.
Excuse me.
So, what I'm gonna do is on my lightning ball script, or I'm gonna add a script to it. Okay.
Okay.
Now you may be asking yourself, what's that do?
I wasn't, but explain.
Lightning Flasher. That's gonna be the name of that script. So all it's gonna do is on a collision enter with the player, it's gonna run the fucking Flash script. So it needs to have a reference. Flash. Man, the word flash is not spelled like that, is it? Flash?
Yeah.
Why is it spelled like that?
That's just how it's spelled.
Flash equals find object of type, not flash.
Should ask the Flash. He created that word
Did he?
for his own usage.
If
But now we all have to suffer consequences. You should ask him. Like, why is your name spelled like that?
That's all I wanted to do. On collision, enter. If collision. Dot. I'm tripping.
Man, I'm tripping, please.
That's what I meant to do. Do I want to do trick? No. On collision. What do I do for hazard? Oh, on hazard I do on trigger. I was trying to... I'm dumb. Other dot tag player. Turn that into a Boolean expression. Then flash dot flash now. And wrote that ought to do it. Alright. Gotta make it rain. Boom, it's raining.
Nice.
Thank you. I tried. Ooh! Oh, it works! Oh, look at that!
Oh, shit.
It's easier to tell when I get struck now. Ooh, I'm getting multiple struck by lightning. Fuck. This is the spot to stand, I guess. I got struck by lightning like 4 times in a row.
Nice.
I know.
That's a hot spot.
It's ooh, there we go again. Didn't even look. Lightning strikes in the same place like 6 times.
Wow.
I like that flash effect, and like I don't think it appears over my my UI. Let's see if I get struck again. Sending in this point. Ooh, yeah, it doesn't. Great. So wonderful. So wonderful. Alright. Now what I need to do is tell this shit to stop sending messages whenever I get struck by lightning. Just shut up. I don't care. I know it works now. I don't need to debug. Well. Suppose that went well. Is that all I did in this whole hour stream so far?
Was that the flash effect?
Was
and the damage.
Was like making sure players get struck by lightning?
I think so.
I spent a whole hour doing that.
You've been doing a terrific job.
So long though.
Yeah, it is a while. Man, it's really not. Just gonna fucking do this for me. Alright.
I guess the next thing is playing an FMOD event when the player gets struck.
I'm actually working on that right now.
Right, as we speak?
As we speak.
I thought you were playing Battlefield.
I got bored of that.
You got bored of Battlefield, so you started working on FMOD.
So I started working. Yeah.
Your brain hurts me.
I'm doing a lot of cleanup right now, trying to isolate. I have a recording of a pretty couple of good thunder strikes, and but there's like it was still raining during. So right now I'm cleaning up these samples of this thunder
Uh-huh.
and doing a little bit of excuse me, what's called noise reduction.
Oh.
And yeah, hopefully I can get these thunder strikes cleaned up so that way they don't have
Did you actually
rain.
like real life get thunder strikes?
Yeah,
Wow.
it rains pretty much all the time here in Florida, so
That
there's
is
many chances to get thunder. I actually am surprised I didn't get more. I just like I don't know, but it's almost summer again, so
yeah,
it'll be
almost that time of the year.
it's almost that yeah.
Thunder season.
Thunder season.
It doesn't thunder here that much, I don't think. I like it when I do though.
Oh right.
I used to be
That's
I used to be semi-afraid of thunder. I'm
really?
afraid of loud noises. So like it still gets me.
yeah, it still puts you on edge.
Yeah, but something like
Still kind of freaks you out. Oh, man, this really is weird. Let's see how this works. Let's see how this works out. I feel like was I on the wrong layer? Oh. I was on the wrong fucking layer. Fuck.
I'm just Snapchatting. Yeah. I'm such a teen.
Okay.
I do, but girl, I can't say what I was about to say. Just realized probably not something I should say.
Probably not something you should say over a live.
It's not like it's not bad. It's just like it's in line with what we said previously. Now I don't want to say it. One sec, I'll mute my stream audio. Alright, unmute.
And not the best.
Unmute my stream audio. No. I don't know why. That's like the phrase that sometimes comes up in my head.
You know, just randomly.
Yeah.
It's normal.
It honestly is. So I was about to ask you, how's Christian thinking about doing clouds? Is he like in a 3D model clouds?
No, I don't think so. I mean, most of like the volumetric systems I've seen done are done with like a particle
Yeah, like
system.
coded in.
Shaders. Yeah.
Alright. That's how I was gonna do it.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a way to do volumetric clouds in Maya.
That is true, but lately, I don't know, he's been having issues getting information to transfer over correctly from Maya.
That's gross. Alright. I'll look it up over here. Volumetric cloud.
Back here. Where my tolerance?
Oh, these look so good, and they're $10.
What is it?
It's a volumetric cloud. No, it's out of date. How's it out of date? There's a new Lunar New Year bundle for Unity.
That's pretty cool.
So there's like a material bundle loading screen that comes in just a $10. Let's see what comes in the most expensive one, because that's all we care about, right? The $29 one. You get low poly skybox shaders, which might be something we would like. There's a UI particle system. Then like FX stuff, Forest Oak. It's just some cute stuff. I want to look at this though.
Really cute.
Look at my stream whenever it comes up.
Look. We just wait eternity. I don't know. I'll see it. I'm gonna stick this over on this window and I'll. Can I not pull spectral layers? Oh, I can. Oh, I know I can't. Damn. This works as a little window. Alright. Oh, okay, now I'm looking at it. Ooh, yeah, that's nice.
But it's probably
nice.
not that hard to make though.
I was just gonna say, we do have a guy.
We do have a
that can
guy
make that.
who does that.
We do have a guy that can make that.
I gotta go talk to my guy real
But it is nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
What about this UI particle system? No, I can do that.
Damn.
Well, this is for nerd ballers who can't do stuff, not us, who also can't do stuff. Sometimes I can.
Sometimes we can do stuff.
Why do we need a loading screen? Like nobody uses those anymore. Those are archaic. Fucking Witcher 3, you have a loading screen? Cringe. How do I do?
Hmm.
So the math for volumetric clouds are so fucking weird.
Is it?
Yeah. Because like you have to get like density and like how light.
Oh yeah, true.
Um,
True.
um.
Man, I'm fucking stumped. I mean, I guess I could bring it down still. Alright, let me try. Some of this here.
Clouds are so hella weird. You know?
Yeah. They are. They are fucking weird.
Like, I'm thinking how other people like documented this stuff. It's absolutely wild.
Absolutely absurd.
Baffling. Because I want to write something from scratch, but I'm only gonna get inspiration from other people's shit.
Yeah.
Because I could do something stupid. Like, watch this. You could say, you see this particle system right here? We're gonna
No, I don't.
good because it's
See nothing.
tiny. We're gonna make it like size 50, and let's move it out of the fucking UI. And then you see that? We can call that a cloud, right? Look at that cloud. One sec. If I do this, oh, what did I do? If I duplicate it, move it, duplicate it, move it. Look at that. You've got weird clouds. Look at those.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at those ugly ass clouds.
Yeah.
Non-volumetric, doesn't work with any sort of
definitely
lighting.
On a smoke signal.
Yeah, there you go.
It's a cloud.
It's literally 3 particle systems with a default particle. It's a cloud. Look at him.
It's a game.
Ship
Particles. Ship it, just like that.
Yeah. Particle systems are great.
Particles. Particles. 2021.
Name of the game?
Fallen particles.
Fallen.
That's the game.
The really bad particles. How did y'all release this type shit?
type of deal.
Like, EA wouldn't ship this.
That's pretty low.
That's not nice. Look at my pink block. Look at him all pink. Cause pink is my favorite color. Remember that Aerosmith song?
Oh yeah, I do remember that.
Alright, that's even on my Notion list to do volumetric clouds.
We're gonna put that. We're gonna process this.
Volumetric.
Might have created some really weird artifacting in the sample, so we're just gonna check it out. We're just gonna see what happens.
Volumetric clouds.
It's always the undo button. Oh yeah.
Before you go adding more shit, I should fix the garbage I have. So that'd be smart.
Yeah.
Let's go to this world state manager. So
Yes, I fucking go.
where? All right. So if it's nighttime. Right, now I need to do it if it's daytime. Basically do this and call it day color variation. Oh, I think I couldn't do this before because it actually like breaks the way my stuff works.
You erased it?
No, so this might look horrible. Like my eyes might bleed. So I guess we can just hope.
Sounds better.
Yeah, there it is.
Why is it just keep it such a high tolerance? High tolerance.
What's at a high tolerance?
This noise reduction meter.
So look at this.
Cancel that. What do you want me to look at?
For whatever reason, it changes this blue color to like blood red. I don't know why.
Oh god, that's terrifying.
And like, it just doesn't work. Like, I.
What's doing that? The cloud?
So when when it's daytime, it's supposed to be like the daytime color, but for whatever reason,
Oh.
it's not setting it to the daytime color. It's like.
That's terrifying.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like,
God.
it thinks that's red. It has to be in green to even try to detect blue.
Yeah.
But like one shift over and it straight up just turns like a yellow. One sec. Maybe I can fix this. Like some of it's still that red color. I don't know. Like what color does it think this is? I'm mad. I don't know why it does this. It has to be like an issue with what I
do this.
Because the night color works fine. So I need to figure out like what.
With the big.
Alright, one sec. This is potato. But it's totally fine with this. Like it's a-okay with this, but it's not okay with. Huh. Did it just stop raining? I'm telling you to stop raining.
I didn't tell you to stop raining.
Alright. Let's just do this in our rain. Because I don't know if this is causing it, but it might be. Day changed. Wait. So let's say if rain might change to be false. and then we'll say rain night change equals true.
Alright.
And day
I'm gonna have to continue this thunderstorm adventure
rate day change.
another time. Might also go and get some more. Some booze.
Yeah,
It starts raining again.
I'm about to finish this. I think I'm about to finish the stream if I get this to work first try. So
Let's see it.
it's not done yet.
Let's see it.
So I'm gonna stop.
Wait, no, launch it now.
Boss, but it's not ready.
I got a Cape Pesnas going.
Alright, boom. Done. This might work. It might not though. It fully might not.
Might turn the entire sky blood red.
It just might.
You see nothing but dead babies.
Yeah. With the power. Oh, there it is.
There it is. What does that mean? I can't tell yet. The stream hasn't gotten to that point. Don't spoil it. Ah, yes, there it is. Look at that violent blood storm. Ooh, I do like that flash.
Yeah, Flash was nice.
Flash is nice.
And it instantly goes back to blood red.
It's really scary, honestly, because it's when the sun comes up.
Yeah, when the sun comes up, the blood comes up.
Yeah, it starts like blood red rain. It's like after a violent thunderstorm in the night. It's really just a very eerie game. I think it's perfect. I think we should sell it for $60. And every DLC we put out will be an additional $30. Unless they want to buy the Fallen Stones Seasons Pass, which will then get them extra blood that rains down, pours
So
all over their face.
there's a reason he's doing this.
Yes, of course.
Of course, everything has a reason.
There's a reason for everything.
So where do I set the values of these? Okay. I set them in my editor. So, I guess I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna make. What's 3 times 2?
3 times 2?
No.
Is that what you're wondering? I can do that.
No. Public float. 1 second. What is a color made out of? It's made out of a H, an S, and a V. Duh, because HHSV. So, I don't. Maybe it's because I'm using HSV. If I change these over to RGB, it might work. It's already on RGB. That's on RGB. Let's check. So there's just one that wasn't on RGB.
Shit.
And RGB. Let's see if this works first. And daylight speed, turn that bitch off, and then make it rain. Nope.
Damn.
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 What's it? I get a day color.
I've been slowly scratching off my nail paint. Feels like forever for ages now.
You painted your nails?
Yeah, I got them painted. They looked really good until I started playing guitar again, and then they got all fucked up. And so then it just started this slow, dreadfully painful process of me scratching my fingernails.
And
You know.
you didn't have any nail polish remover?
Oh, I do.
No.
You're not understanding, Chris.
I'm not. um,
This is a journey for me. I am on my last nails. I have both my pinkies and my left ring finger.
my color of control just said R.
I'm in the end game right
We're
now.
in the end game now.
I'm in the end game.
Color B. Oh, I'm creating a lot of floats.
Nice.
Color not for the better, I don't think.
Floats
So
are great. Keep making them.
yeah, it's our game. So
Yeah.
all right, we're gonna make some more. And call these night color variation, and then night variation G, and then I should probably start off with a day since that's the one that's working. RGB. All right, there's the night color. Now let's do the day color. Public float. Day color. RGB. R. Public float. Day color. B. Public float. Day color D. All right.
Time is that? Oof. I never did any laundry. Oh no.
No. Getting
Well, Chris, I'm gonna take off.
Mm-hmm.
I will catch you on the flip, my brethren.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I hope that the blood from the sky does not prove to be an enigma.
Me too.
Alright, hit me up later, I guess.
Yes. All right. Sorry, I was like hyper focused for a second.
Oh yeah, sorry.
You're good. I'll talk to you later, Joe.
Sorry. Alright, Chris, peace out, dude.
Peace. All right, that's Joe gone. All right. My color doesn't exist. Oh. Oh, that's why. Okay. Color public. Public color. Night color. And then it's undercase. Duh. Then it's gonna be mad, right? And then if I take away that, it should be fine, right? Yeah. Okay, so color, night, color variation, public color, day color, public color, day color variation. Oh, hi Shadowbane. Oh, you're going to bed? Well, it's good to see you. I'm straight up working on color right now, and it's tough. But thanks for dropping in. We love to see you. And it should already all be defined. So we press save. And it should be our compiler error is gone. Yes. But now, yeah, I hope so. We've been streaming for about 108 minutes. I don't know what that translates to. About an hour and a half. Over an hour and a half, my bad. And yeah, it's just been good. All right. 18.150.224. $18,150,224. And day color variation is 50.86.106. 50? I already forgot. 86.106. All right. So, and then we got a world state master. Let's just, for right now, keep it on one. One sec. Sarah, we don't want her to get to nighttime. Damn, it's already nighttime. Oh, fuck. But this actually works, so I guess that's cool. And once it turns day again, it's day. Keep it on 0. make these puppies public. This is like a really conventional way to do this. One sec. So like straight up thunderstorming. Fine. So why is it white? Cause like that's not white. You know? Alright, so what if I did that? I guess. So what does that look like my editor? I don't even know which one I set to byte. Oh, day color R. Eighteen 150 So 18 150 224. So if I press play, All right, let's set up the variation. Because if anything, it's just fifty, 86, 106. So 50, 86, 106. Let's do this. That's right. That's what we wanted. I mean, of course, that's not the right color at all, but we know it works. So, and when it turns nighttime, it's gonna like just be that color. So, all right. Because night color doesn't equal anything; it's just black. So next thing I want to do then is fucking change all the night colors to bytes, I guess. Be byte, be white, be white. And change that to byte, byte, byte. The thing I'm looking to on the side is documentation for literally everything. Then we'll pull out night color, and 255, which is full alpha, and 255. But I know that we're not using full alpha, so I want to check. I know at least not everything is using full alpha, right? All these are doing full alpha. Fine. I'm getting text messages. I
look for you.
Working on falsetto and trust words. All right. Stop texting. You have a tired thing to fix. So night color are 66, 85, 96. 66, 85, 96. 66, 85, 96. And then for the variation, it's 38, 53, 65. 38, 53, 65. 38, 53, 53, 65. All right. So it's raining correctly. Slightly different than what we wanted, isn't it? And then when it shifts over to nighttime here in a second, we'll see by the cloud shift that this is also shifted to what we wanted. So if we up the rain to like say 4, started a thunderstorm. Boom. That's so much. I don't even know what time of day it is. Wow, that's a color. Let's. Okay, it's definitely less intense. Oh, we got struck by lightning, damn. Yeah, less intense, but that blue is just so fucking bad. That's a better blue. But still not great. And now it's nighttime. Well, at least we know the system works. So basically, changing the color is a matter of changing these RBG values for. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 12 different RBG values that correlate to the rain color. Because the old system was just causing it to look horrible. So I guess we tweak that and make it an actual usable system. And yeah, but that's all we're doing tonight. Lightning strikes. So to go over what we did today is the player is able to get hit by lightning. Lightning instantiates a little explosion around the collision of the lightning and causes damage to our boy. And then we also fixed the lighting shift issue that was going on. So now that works properly. For both day and night. All I think it didn't make as much progress as I wanted to, but I was streaming and talking to Joe, and I love him, but we got carried away talking for a bit there. So this World State Master is becoming ever more bloated, which is fine, because it all comes back to those sun, moon, rain, thunderstorm little things.